Hi students, I am Mrs. R. Ambikeshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of English, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, let's see the aftermath of World War I and also the causes for the World War II. The death and the destruction of World War I was so horrible that it was called the war to end all wars. Yet, the agreement to end World War I did not resolve the problems of the World War. According to some historians, the major causes of the World War II were numerous. Let's see what the causes are. The Treaty of Versailles following World War I, the worldwide economic depression, failure of appeasement, the rise of militarism in Germany and Japan, the failure of the League of Nations. Let's see in detail what each topic says. The Treaty of Versailles. Following World War I, the victorious Allied powers met to decide Germany's future. Germany would be forced to sign the Treaty of Versailles. Germany had to accept guilt for the war and to pay reparations. Germany lost territory and was prohibited from having a large military. Next one is economic depression. The whole world was hit by an economic depression in the late 1920s. In a depression, economics shrink, trade is reduced, businesses close, prices fall, banks fail, and the unemployment rises. Sometimes during a depression, people look for a strong political leader to resolve their problems. In 1933, Adolf Hitler became the leader of Germany by promising to restore German wealth and power. Germany's militarism. Hitler immediately began secretly building up Germany's army and weapons. Although Britain and France knew of Hitler's actions, they thought a strong Germany would stop the spread of communism from Russia. In 1936, Hitler ordered German troops to enter the German-speaking areas of the Rhineland, that is in France, Austria and Czechoslovakia. At this point, neither France nor Britain was prepared to go to war. In 1936, Hitler made alliances with Italy and Japan. The military alliance of Germany, Italy and Japan was called the Axis powers. The failure of appeasement. The appeasement meant agreeing to the demands of another nation in order to avoid conflict. During 1930s, politicians in Britain and France began to believe that the Treaty of Versailles was unfair to Germany and that Hitler's actions were understandable and justifiable. This belief, adopted by Britain, was the policy of appeasement. An example of appeasement was that Munich Agreement of September 1938. According to this agreement, Britain and France allowed Germany to annex areas in Czechoslovakia where German speakers lived. Germany agreed not to invade the rest of the Czechoslovakia or any other country. In March 1939, Germany broke its promise and invaded the rest of the places. Neither Britain nor France was prepared to take military action. Then, on September 1, 1939, German troops invaded Poland. Britain and France immediately declared war on Germany. World War II had thus begun in Europe. Next one is the failure of the League of Nations. The League of Nations was an international organization set up in 1990 to keep world peace. It was intended that all countries would be members and that if there were disputes between countries, they could be settled by negotiation rather than by force. The League of Nations was a good idea but ultimately a failure. Not all countries joined in the League. The League had no army to prevent military aggressions such as Italy's invasion of Ethiopia in Africa or Japan's invasion of Manchuria in China. Next is Japan's militarism. In 1931, Japan was hit badly by the economic depressions. Japanese people lost faith in the government. They turned to an army in order to find a solution to the economic problems. In order to produce more goods, Japan needed natural resources for its factories. The Japanese army invaded China, an area rich in mineral and resources. China asked for help from the League of Nations. Japan ignored the League of Nations and continued to occupy China and Korea. As Japan invaded other areas of the Southeast Asia, including Vietnam, the United States grew concerned about its territories in Asia, such as the Philippines and Guam. Japan felt that its expansion could be threatened by the United States military and attacked Pearl Harbor, Hawaii, in December 1941. This also caused for the World War II. Thanks for listening to my video.